Today I'm going to teach you about science. Science is the systematic method of making inquiries about living and non living things in the environment. Humans have been so curious about the structure of living and non living things in their environment as well as how they work. That is why science is involved. Scientists and science students are very alert and inquisitive. They use their senses to observe what's happening all around them. From a given set of observations, they see certain patterns which leads to problems which they try to solve. They put forward reasonable theories or carry out an idea anyone can test, which is called hypothesis for it. Then they carefully record their observations and the results of their experiments. Science goes through many methods before laws are propounded or before concepts are confirmed true, ranging from asking questions about the experiment which is about to be performed, then the experiments. As the experiment is going on, the observations are recorded, that is the outcome of the experiment, before drawing the final conclusion. After making the observation, experiment is done again, that's re-experimenting, before drawing the final conclusion, before propounding a particular theory or law. If a particular scientific theory or law has been confirmed false, it is either re-experimented or worse, discarded. Science is beneficial in so many ways. Namely, it helps us solve health problems, like the right surgical equipment to use, as well as the right vaccines to produce, as well as the right radiation to use to cure the disease of man. Science is applied in plant and animal rearing. In the case of plants, it helps us to know the type of conditions we should place plants in for them to photosynthesize. That is, manufacture their own food through the help of the sun. It helps us to know the conditions we should place plants and animals in for them to grow and develop well. In the case of plants, it helps us to know the conditions we should place plants in for them to photosynthesize. That is, manufacture their own food through the help of the sun. It also helps us to know about the pests of animals and plants and ways of protecting them from their infestation and curing their diseases in the case of plants and animals. Science makes work easier in every aspect of life. For example, electronics, including computers and televisions, have been made to make life easier. Additionally, through science, AI, which is also called artificial intelligence, has been formulated and been put to work to solve problems. Science is also applied in processing raw materials into finished goods after harvest from farms, including wheat, into flour, cotton into clothes. In a nutshell, science makes the world a better place for us all.